Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to uninstall, remove or turn off Internet Explorer in Windows 10. So firstly click on Start and type Windows feature. Now open turn Windows features on or off. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 11 on. So you can remove and uninstall Internet Explorer from Windows 11 also. So guys, in this list you have to find out Internet Explorer 11. So I have not that feature, but if you have that feature and you install, so you will find in this list. So just you have to uncheck, then click on apply and then OK. So you will see Internet Explorer in this list. So uncheck that box, then apply, then OK, and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart you will successfully uninstall, remove or turn off Internet Explorer in your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.